So what we started out with is we put, what is that stuff called?
Lexel.
Lexel.
The tough elastic sealant for every job.
The tough elastic sealer for every job. We put it around the sides and the top, but not the bottom, because if there is any leaking, we want it to be able to come back out. So we don't put any sealer here. And then we nailed the bottom and the top not quite as much as the bottom. So right now I was just putting the sealer around, sides, top. We'll set this in together and then I'll go inside and make sure it's centered. Wrong thing.
Okay, there you go, up.
That's a little lower.
Should be pretty close right there. You in?
Yep.
So
Probably just push it all the ways and then do a minute and I'll run in and check.
can you push is yours? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I think
Can
I'm
you stand in the-
yeah, I think I'm good.
You
I got it. Yeah.
To my side just a little bit. Yep, I'm still there. Alright, push it in.
Can you reach up high? Push it in on that side. Okay, I got it. You can use 2 hands.
Perfect. Perfectly lovely. Thank you, looks good.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go.
Yep.
Neil, can you hold this?
We did every other. Putting down every other hole. And just like that, a window is installed. And then inside here, I put a little bead of that stuff right along here to keep anything from leaking in.
How many did I have at the top? Do you remember?
I think we did 3 on the big window. And then after we put the windows in, we use the splashing tape to keep it weatherproof. I go on the sides first and then over the top. And you're supposed to have 3 inches above and below. And then the reason why you go over the top is just so then the water goes right down. So first I just measure how much I need. Got more of an estimate. About 3 inches above, 3 inches below, and I cut it. And this stuff goes on pretty smoothly. I like this stuff. Just all weather flashing tape, 3M. I like that it has the half and half, so you take half the tape off. And put it about 3 inches above. Get it right up to the edge. And rub it in nicely, and then I just kind of pull down and make sure it continues staying right on the edge. And you just pull out the other side. And kind of just rub it away from it as you pull it down. Repeat on the other side and then over the top. My dad says always push into the ladder. I use the bottom to measure what I need for the top because it's a lot easier to do it that way. For the top tape, you want it to come about halfway on the flashing tape on both sides. Then it's just a matter of lining it up. Those really big windows to get about halfway done, and I have to move my ladder over. Just like that, your window is waterproof. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.